In this video we'll show you how to add or edit data in the location, the department, or the entity type data files. From the main control panel, select Related Data File. Next, select Departments. The three files will open on the same page. Type new names at the bottom of the list. Example, to add location 20 as a new location, enter location 20 at the bottom of the location form. Do the same to add a new department. Example, to add the PR department to the list, type PR at the bottom of the PR form. Similarly, to add tanks as a new entity type, enter the name tanks at the bottom of the entity type form. Once a new name is added, it will be available for selection from the drop-down list. To see this in action, return to the main control panel and select Asset File to open the asset library. Choose any location and note that location 20, which we just added, is available for selection from the drop-down list. Press Ctrl Z if you wish to undo your most recent selection.